mine and then I craft and then I mine and then I craft and then I mine and then I craft and then I mine. Cutting down trees, gonna build a crafting table, yeah. Fences all around to keep my horses in their stable. Sugar cane garden built beside a fresh lake. Next I'll grow some wheat so I can start baking some cakes. Farming some cows, get milk from the udders. Cooking up bread but don't need no butter. Farming some chickens for feathers and eggs. Fighting the mobs with dogs of the dead. Pumpkin patch by my home, yeah. Mining anything but gold, yeah. This is me in my zone, yeah. This is me in my zone. I craft and then I mine and then 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 I brewing up potions like some tonic and elixir. Look at all the sand, I might as well go and dig here. Mountainside house, it's a dream I can't escape. To look over the land to see all that I create. Mining some diamonds, you know that I need them. Mining some coal for multiple reasons. Cooking up food, always a steak. Climbing up trees and chopping away. Flower garden by my home, yeah. Powered by redstone, yeah.